ain't no gunshots, but they getting low, 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 low.
We got this thing back in the shop today, of course. You know, it's always his favorite place in the world is the shop. It's a unicorn now. He broke his fucking light bar off. That's not what we're fixing today. What we're fixing now, we got our handy dandy welder man down there on his damn creeper. He's gonna fix an exhaust leak because that's what he does best, is fix shit with a welder.
So do you think you could just like stick your hand up in that?
Yeah, just grab
No,
the.
not like literally grab.
No, grab the exhaust pipe and just hold on to it as long as you can.
I mean, like up there, could you not see if you could weld it without removing it? Could you maybe get to it from the top? You can climb up in the engine bay.
Them sparks could fucking fall on my face.
Well, you got a mask.
And it's fucking stick. It's gonna be slag and shit. It's gonna burn the fuck out of me.
Or could you get to it from the top? You can get in the engine bay.
I don't think I can get to it from the top because the welds are down. I don't even know where the leak is. We need to find where the. I mean, I know it's all around like welded, but I don't know where exactly. Can you hear it, like, or is it all going to just come from there? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, it's just all gonna come from there.
So
Hey, you know what I could do? I could crank it up and stick my shoe over the pipe.
hey, you think we could
And you
Do
can,
it. I'd
think
do
we could
that.
spray something on there, like some water or
It's
something?
gonna evaporate as soon as you put it on there. Here, let me crank it
No,
up.
like a lot. If you keep wetting something, it'll get where.
I guess that's a fucking Windex over there.
There's one day.
Like, can we spray something and see where it bubbles?
You probably won't. I mean, yeah, we could try, but
You know
as
what I'm
soon as you crank it up, that motherfucker's just gonna.
Not if you got
Don't.
a lot on it.
Well, let's go get some water.
Or flashlight.
I don't think I followed you back.
I have no followers. Ow, my face.
Found the problem. It's leaking right there out the front where the manifold meets the exhaust. There's like no fucking gasket there anymore. So
Just welded the fuck out of it, but I don't think it helped a little bit.
it did. It helped. There was still a leak in the pipe where it got cut, but the manifold gas is leaking too. So, fuck.
Are you sad?
Kinda, cause it's annoying as fuck. But
We got our welder did his best.